G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and today on the show we're going to draw the Bark Knight from Dogman. Let's get to it. So we're going to start off obviously with the head of the Bark Knight. And what we'll do, we'll come up around here and we're going to do two sort of oval shapes. So we're going to go one like that, and we'll do another one around like that there. So that's his eyes, and we're going to just do two strokes like this, 1, 2. So there you go. That's the start. Kind of looks like two stretched out coins, doesn't it? All right, now the next step is we're going to form out his head. There's going to be a line that goes around here, around, up, and then in like that. So it's the dog man head. Pretty simple to do. So what I want you guys to do is to come up here on this eye, go around, in like that, and then all the way up into there, okay? So it's kind of like this cool line. Cool, like turny, squiggly, whatever you want to call it, line going on. Now at the tip of this here, we're going to have a circle for his nose. Beautiful nose, like that. What we're going to do is we're going to put a highlight on that nose. So draw a line like that and then leave that white there and make this black underneath. Kind of looks like he's got a lollipop coming out of his eyes there. Now what we want to do, we're going to draw a line that goes from his eyes to that circle, like that. So you can see now it's taking shape, it's Dogman. Now from here, because he's the Bark Knight, he's got the mask on, and all we can do to create the mask is draw a line that goes from there into his eyes there, all right? Now what we can do is we're gonna draw another line that goes into here and another line into there. And so we're gonna color this line in a little bit of a different color to show the band that's going around his mask, that's fitting on his head. From here, we're going to draw the Dogman, Bark Knight, face, smile, whatever you want to call it. So we start around here and we go all the way into there. It doesn't matter if it's wobbly or squiggly or whatever, a bit shaky. Let's put a little dip on it there. He's kind of happy. It's going to suit the Dogman universe. Now up here, the Bark Knight has three distinct dots in a triangle form. 1, 2, 3, like that. Oh, it's taking shape, taking shape. All right, now what we are going to do is the ears of the Bark Knight. So we're gonna start here. You're gonna curve around, make it big and thick at the top, and then come in and make it thin at the bottom, like that. And then we're gonna go up to here, do the same thing, up, around, and then in like that, like so, okay? Cool, looking good. Now what we wanna do, we're gonna form out the body of the Bark Knight. Pretty straightforward this is. So we're gonna go down like that, one, and then down like this on another, like that. Now what we wanna do the belt, the utility belt of the Bark Knight is like Batman. So we're gonna have a circle here, like that. And we're going to draw a line into here. You can go over a bit, and we're going to draw another line that comes out here to form that side of the belt, okay? So you've got that part going on. Now over here, we do the exact same thing. Draw a line that goes into there and a line at the bottom, like so, and then down like that. Okay, now what you want to do, let's form out his feet before we go any further. We're going to have sort of like a little curve here of his knee, and another line there of his leg for his knee, all right? And what I want you guys to do is draw a line like that. This is going to form the top of his boot, all right? So we're going to come down on an angle like this, like so, and then we're going to curve up and around and down and like that. So that's the top of his boot. And then we want to do a line that goes into there, like that. Okay, and then you want to just extend this line down on an angle like that. So that's his boot, okay? Now over here, what you want to do is do what we did over here, but we're going to do two straight lines instead. So this part of his leg is sort of locked in place, and we're going to do the same thing with the boot. Around like that, and then down like that, and then we're going to curve the bottom of his foot like so. Yep. And we're going to do the same thing what we did here. We're going to curve up this time, around, and then in on an angle like that, okay? So that's his 2 feet on the ground there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do his hand that sticks out here. So we're going to go up, one finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, and then in like that. So he's got his cool arm. And to form off his costume, we're going to do like that. Okay. Now the Dark Knight, he has his logo. So like Batman or Superman, they've got an insignia, a symbol on their chest. Dark Knight obviously has a bone. So we're going to draw one line there and one line there. So the 2 lines parallel to each other like that to start you off with. And once you've done that, you just want to curve in one line there, and on the back, curve in again like that. And then bring them in together like that, so it's a bone. We'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Curve in, and curve in like that. Okay, so that's that. Now we want to form out the belt a bit better here. On his belt, he's got what looks like a D, and I'm pretty sure D for Dogman, maybe? Okay, cool. And we're going to form out the utility belt by putting a couple lines over here, 2 lines over here, and we'll put maybe 3 lines over here. Okay, so that's his utility belt going on. Now we're going to do his cape, his awesome cape. Now this is pretty cool. You can do this however you want, but try and follow me. So we're going to start here inside of his head. We're going to go down as far as we can go, and then we're going to go 1 loop in, 2 loops in. It's kind of like a bat, 3 loops in, 4. We're going to swing around and we're going to go into his body there. Now, one thing that's missing here, obviously, is because this is Dogman dressed up as a superhero, he's got his head that's been stitched onto his body. So we need to have these lines here at his neck. So you want to do some curved lines here to sell the illusion that this is still Dogman, okay? And there we go, guys. We have drawn the Dark Knight from Dogman. How awesome does that look? All right, the next step is we're going to color in, and I'm going to get a special guest to come in here and color this in for me today. All right, stay tuned.
Okay guys, we colored in the Dark Knight. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so the Dark Knight is the superhero version of Dogman in some of the books, as you may know. Woof woof. Oh, got a bit of funky stuff going on there. That can be a part of the picture.